What's
Sama-sama ni
up,
si Ate
yo?
OG mag-message ko yan.
You know,
Magtawa-tawa dun oh.
I have WhatsApp more. I don't care your
More and
WhatsApp.
more.
You
More
know,
and more.
your number is from Philippine. You know, I think this Philippine, right? Correct me, I'm wrong. Correct me, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Upo.
Upo.
What upo?
He is Filipino.
Upo.
Upo.
Upo. What's the meaning that? I think that's vegetable. Upo. Yes, I think that Fahad.
What?
You know, she's in Asia. He's from Philippine. You know, my mind is, you know, he or she or me or T.
What?
T. No, you're bad word.
Don't say that.
X bad word that. Don't say that, you know. We have minor, you know. We have minor mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, she's, you know, look, he's, no, OMG. She's, you know, she's, you know, you know, she's, bum, the air bomb, yeah, okay.
Maybe she
Nice.
need to poop.
Yeah, you. Yeah. Yeah. Disgusting, you know? Yeah, that Upo Patola from the, you know, from the inside the stomach, inside the stomach, and then, you know, if you like that, and then you're laughing too much, and then, yes, you know, if you're not, you know, if, yeah, yes, yeah. Disgusting, bad smell. The 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 toilet is running, coming to my to my
Toilet is
nose.
running.
Rio, sama ka sa amin. Kung available ka. What? What's what? What's please read. G, please read. What she said? What he said?
Rio,
Huh?
sama ka
What?
sa amin kung available ka
What's
bukas.
the meaning of that?
I don't
What's
know.
what's the meaning of that?
Explain, Fahad. What are you talking about? Tara na
What
sabi
the
may
what
restaurant.
you talking? Rio sama kasamin ko available kabukas tara sa yeah. Oh my God, my nose is bleeding. I'm not understand your Tagalog. I'm not understand Tagalog. Please type me English.
Wala na,
What's
naghang na sila.
No, I'm not hanging. I'm not hanging. I'm pulling. Bro, yeah. Pahad, are you there? Ay, Pahad. GMA, are you there?
Still there?
Yes.
Wala. Ano?
G, I think, I think Fahad, he like you, he like you too much.
Oh!
Yes.
Yes, you. Oh, yes,
Mm,
of course.
Fahad,
Hmm. Fahad is
I like
talking
here.
English right
You
now.
like here? Yes,
Here?
please,
My here.
please, Fahad, please message in English because if you're not, I dare you. I dare you. Now I'm pulling. I dare you. If you're not
I don't understand what
speak
you
English,
write.
I dare you.
I dare you.
I'll be there for you by Michael Jackson. I want near him kala kalatagan
Kalatagan
or
or
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Ah, you want to meet G in Tagaytay? Oh, that's very
Bring.
far. Tagaytay. Tagaytay I hear that Tagaytay is, good place. Good place, Tagaytay is very good place in the
You know, in
Philippines.
Tagaytay, that's my tatay.
Himinji. Yes,
What do
I
you mean,
I
Himinji?
think
What do you mean, Jeremy Himinji? Yes, I know.
Fahad, are you
Ah,
Philippine it?
you want me G? Okay.
Uh Fahad, are you Philippine it? This Fahad is Philippine it?
Maybe she's a Filipinat.
Oh, I think like you. Are you from Philippine it also, right?
No, I'm from Indonesia, not
Where
Filipinat.
different
But you look like a
Philippine it or
Bangladesh, huh?
Filipino? Where are you from? Philippine it or Filipino?
I'm from Indonesia. But you look like a Badu.
G will come
Rio?
to Riyadh in
Are you Badu
September.
Rio?
No, no, I think
G
G
will
in
come to
Riyadh
Riyadh in
now.
September. I'm here in Indonesia, not in Riyadh.
What G Fahad, please speak English, Shame on me. Shame on GMA.
Jimmy. Jamie's
You
Gloria
not
Macapagal
speak English,
Arroyo. What
Fahad,
do you
why
mean
you not
iniibig kita, G? Rio, not
G,
understand what
why
are you saying,
Fahad,
Fahad.
why you not speak English? Are you not graduation? Me, I'm graduation in California. Tabing ilog.
Graduation. Graduation in California.
California. Are you not graduating now?
California girl. Oh, oh,
Please speak English, If you speak Tagalog,
sorry, Fahad. He don't
maybe,
know. He don't know
maybe,
understand Tagalog.
yes. See, G, see, look,
Si G.
G is look, she look, she look,
Look.
look.
Mapi malum in
G,
Mapi malum English and Mapi
Mafi
malum
mushkila,
Arabic.
sorry, Arabic. Gerger Arabic, mafi mushkila. Kulo shay ana malum.
Oh, go Fahad. English or
Kulo
Arabic?
shay ana malum. Yalla,
Choose
yalla.
one.
Sabi gerger.
Oh,
Ana
sabi
hiji, ana
girl.
intisar. Sabi gerger.
Oh,
Yalla,
Fahad.
gerger.
Show your Arabic
Um,
language.
not speak, not speak
You don't know how to
English,
speak
maybe.
in Arabic also, Fahad? You don't know how to speak in English, in Arabic. Only
Taal.
Filipino. Filipino